Poppy After Midnight, May 5, 2019. It was a active Saturday for me. I got up around 10 in the morning, checked all the new vids on YouTube that, for the people I subscribe to. Sent a couple of emails to a couple of creators inviting them to a round table on the Three-Jawed Chuck. One of them was Adam Booth. I've been tiptoeing around metaphorically doing the internet equivalent of tug on his sleeve, say, Mister. But with this email I sent Adam today, I just strutted on up and stuck out the head and said, hi. I don't know. I hope Adam will sit in on the round table on the Three-Jawed Chuck. I value his insights. And what else? Oh, Friday, a technician came from my internet service provider and put in a new modem. See, Monday I'd called and sniveled that my YouTube uploads are being messed up by the internet connection going down 5 and 6 times an upload. YouTube? Yeah, I'm a YouTube poster. Now I'm thinking I'm going to try a live stream out of here. Send an email to a friend and say, hey, when would be a good time when you can sit down and look at your computer so I can try a live stream? Yeah, I think I'll do that. Anyway, to all my friends, Emma, Stephen Lang, my potential friends, Adam Booth, James Kilroy, Tom Lipton, Stan Barzinski, the Steves, all 3 of them, the Keiths, all 3 of them. If you Steves and Keiths can figure out who the 3rd Keith or Steve is, Emma's got my email address. She'll give it to you. Good night.